Hello guys, welcome again to my channel Easy. My name is Future. In today's video I am going to show you how to set up multiple WhatsApp on your PC. If you have several WhatsApp and you're wondering how to set it up, this video is for you. First thing you do is, and please before you continue, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share the link so that when next I publish the next video centered around technologies and making money online, you will be the first to get the notification or to be notified. With all that being said, let's head on. What you do first is to come to your Chrome. You open Chrome. First you have several browsers, alright? Make sure you have several browsers. If you want to open WhatsApp on two accounts or two types of WhatsApp, you have two browsers. I'm using Chrome now. Okay, you go here and just type WhatsApp. You see the first destination is open WhatsApp web. You click on it. Once you click on it and you click on this first tab that is written WhatsApp web, it will display and show you this. It will display and show you this. Now once it shows you this, the next thing you do is to open your WhatsApp, the WhatsApp on your phone. Once you open the WhatsApp on your phone, you go to the three dots on the top and you click on link device. Once you click on link device and you click on it, it will ask you to use mobile data and you input your password. The QR code where you scan will come out and you scan it. Once you scan it, automatically it will now pick up your WhatsApp and start updating it. You just give it some time to load, and once it loads all your chats, it will display all your chats on your WhatsApp. This is a very simple method. What you need to do is to apply this same method on another browser, right? You go to a different browser like Edge. Okay, you open it and tap the WhatsApp web and open it, and also go to the second WhatsApp, go to that three dots and connect it, and automatically the same thing applies, right? The WhatsApp is on. So guys, I hope you've learned something from this video. If you did, please I kindly like you to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that when next I post videos centered around technologies and making money online, you will be the first to be notified. Until then, see you.